Good morning, students. I am Parag, Assistant Teacher of Techno India Group Public School, Goria branch. And today I am going to discuss on the chapters Coordinate Geometry. Basically, in this chapter, we are going to discuss on topic wise. First, I am going to discuss on the location of the point. One point is located in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or in a fourth quadrant. Then image of the point, that is the reflection. Okay, and then I'm going to discuss on the next topic distance between 2 points, and then section formula, and then area of the triangle when vertices are given, and the collinearity of the points. And if 3 points of the triangle is given, then you have to say the special name of the triangle, and similarly 4 points are given, then you have to say the name of that quadrilateral and the midpoint formula, and some trick to remember the formulas, how to find the area of the triangle when vertices are given. So now first is location of the point. We know that when in a 2-dimension cases, okay, x and x dashed, this is y and y dashed, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. That is plus plus, that is minus plus, that is minus minus, and this is minus plus. And then I'm going to discuss the next things, that is the location of the point. Suppose the point is given 2 minus 3. So this point is located in the 2 minus 3, that is positive and negative. So positive, negative, that is this point lies in a fourth quadrant. Okay, this is fourth quadrant. Now suppose one point is given 2, 3, and you have to find the image of this point when the mirror is x-axis, that is this is the mirror. So the point lies in this fourth quadrant. This distance is 3, this is 2, so this is 2, this distance is 3, so this point will be 2 minus 3. Okay, this is the image. Next part is distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. How? Suppose 2 points are given. One is x1 and y1, and another point is x2, y2. The distance between them is, okay, this distance is x1, this distance is y1. Again, this distance is x2, this distance is y2. So this distance is x2 minus x1, and this distance is y2 minus y1. Now this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras Theorem. Base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. So if this point is P and this point is Q, so distance between PQ is equal to root under x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so this is the point distance between 2 points. Suppose one problem like that. 2, 3 is one point, and another point is minus 3, minus 7, 1. The distance between these 2 points. Now, if this point is A and this point is B, so AB is equal to root under 2 minus of minus 7, the square, plus 3 minus 1 square. So this is 9 square plus 2 square. This is equal to 81 plus 4. This is 85 unit. Okay, then the next part is section formula. What is section formula? Suppose this is one point A, x1, y1, and another point B, this is x2, y2. And another point is internally divide. Suppose this is the point R, like X and Y. And this is M and this is N. M is to N ratio. This point is divide internally, M is to N. Then the point of this intersecting between the A and B will be R is equal to the coordinate X is equal to abscissa is equal to, that is X, and ordinate means Y, will be M. This is the tricks. M is the longest distance from this point. Tale M ta dure ache. So M into x2. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly for y, m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. This is the internally divide the point when this point is divided by m is to n ratio. Now one thing is that in your class 10, basically internally divide part is connected with your syllabus, but sometimes you can solve this type of problem when 2 points are given, A and B. Another point is externally divide. Suppose this is externally, this point is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, and this is externally divide, and this is PQ, P and Q. So P is equal to, and here this equal to M and this equal to N. In that time the formulas are same, but sign will be changed, like M into x2 minus, in that case internally plus, and in that case minus. So M minus N and M into y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. If you have to find the midpoint, this point and this point given, this is x1 y1 and another is x2 y2. So midpoint means middle point, that is 1:1 ratio, 1:1 ratio. In that case midpoint will be 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1, and 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1. Basically x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Similarly, centroid of the triangle x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. If 3 points are like that, then what is centroid? Now midpoint of the medians. This is the medians. So this point will be x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2, because these 2 points are the vertices and this is the midpoint. So x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, and this point is divided internally 2:1 ratio. We know that centroid divide the median by 2:1 ratio. So this point will be 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 by ratio 2:1, 2 plus 1. Similarly y also here, and after that you get x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2, 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid. When vertices of the triangle is given, in that time centroid will be sum of the abscissas, that is x1, x2, x3, and sum of the ordinates. Okay. Next is area of the triangle. Very important, and 3 vertices are given. Suppose this is the triangle x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. 3 points are given, x1, x2, y1, y2, and x3 y3. The area of this triangle look like A, B, C. Area of ABC. Very easy to memorize it. How to memorize this? Half mod x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y mod. Just draw a cycle like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2 দেখো 1 2 3 then 2 3 1 3 1 2. Okay, or you can write half into y into x minus x plus y into x minus x plus y into x minus x mod, because area always positive. So this 1 2 3 2 3 1 again 3 1 2. Okay, that means you can memorize or you can solve like that way. X1 this into this minus this, again this into y minus y, again this x into ey minus ey. Clear? So this is the formula of area. We know that if 3 points are collinear, 3 points are collinear, then we can't draw a triangle. We can draw a triangle. তাহলে if 3 points are collinear, তাহলে আমরা triangle draw করতে পারবো না. In that time, area of ABC is equal to 0. That is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the collinearity condition. Again you can write, suppose A point, B point, C point are collinear. Then AB plus BC is equal to CA. So this is the collinearity, because you cannot draw the triangle. Clear? So you can write this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. That means this plus this is equal to AC. Clear? Next, the very important part, that is this type of question you can solve this type of problem. Suppose A, B, C, D are vertices of a quadrilateral. In that time you have to prove that ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. This chart already given in the module. You can see the table, then total you can solve. That is the square. ABCD square means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Clear? And A square means you have to mostly write AC is equal to BD. These are diagonal. That is square means diagonals equal. And this, if this is rectangle, in that time opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are rectangular ক্ষেত্রে opposite sides are same and diagonals are same, right? And rhombus, no need to write the diagonals are not equal, only sides are equal. Then this is rhombus. Everyone knows about this matter, and you learned this from class 8. Okay, equilateral triangle, that means equilateral triangle means 3 sides are same. 1 2 3 3 sides are same. These vertices given, these vertices given. That is equilateral triangle. These vertices given, these vertices given. Distance formula. 3 sides are same. So this is isosceles. Right angle triangle. How? 3 points are given. This and this. And after calculating, you get the maximum number. 1 is the maximum number. Suppose this is the root 50, and you get this is 5 and this is 5. Now you can apply 5 square plus 5 square root is equal to root 50. So since these are satisfying the Pythagoras theorem, so this is the right angle triangle. Okay, so this type of problems already I'm solving the virtual classes, and I'm giving some MCQ in this module. And okay, and thank you. If you have any doubt And if you have any queries, then you can post the problems on the WhatsApp group, or you can ask in the virtual classes time. Okay, so thank you. See you again. And if you have any doubt, then you can see the video repeatedly, then you get the clear concept. Okay, so good. This is the portion of this coordinate geometry. Basically, first one is distance formula, second one is section formula, third one is areas formula. These three formulas are very important for this chapter. Okay, thank you.